All right, so here is my Google Drive. I'll go down to my education folder here. And the only thing I have in there is my gay rights history, which is my theme for the class. Click on that and go in here, and I have my little description as to why I chose a theme that I did, and so on and so forth. I have a little comment over here. I currently have someone in here that I'm collaborating with. I don't have anything else in here for the time being, but as I do, um, it'll just be organized by the newest thing that I put in there, so that way I can keep track of when things are turned in. Also in this video, I will demonstrate how to share with another person. So I am going to share with Callie. So S, and I can change whether or not they can edit, comment, or view. I'm going to turn on just the comments for her, so that way I can edit it on my own if need be. And I am going to go ahead and send that. And that's all there is to it.